So yes, birthday girl.
कल है मेरा बर्थडे.
बर्थडे अच्छा क्या चाहिए आपको?
फुल ग्लैम मेकअप
हम्म
विथ स्मोकी आई, कर्ल्स या स्ट्रेट बाल, दोनों में से कोई एक चीज़. उसके बाद गुड फूड.
What kind of good food? Okay, we'll see about that.
या थैंक्स.
What about your white hair?
वो वैसे ही रहेंगे. वो दैट इज़ दी.
अच्छा मेकअप तो मैं कर दूंगी बट where will you get new face from?
Oh god, let's see what you got, baby. What skills you got?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another video. Today's video is again very different. It's my sister's birthday vlog. Her birthday is on 21st Feb Sunday and today is Friday 19th Feb and I'm about to pack all her gifts that I bought for her. I will show you the gifts after her birthday. She has a little bit of idea of what I'm doing, basically the gift part, but apart from that she doesn't have any idea and she also doesn't know like how many gifts I've bought for her. So I will show you the gifts for sure, but I have to pack them today and it's an impossible task for me to hide things from her because she keeps coming in my room and I just can't hide anything from her. So I'm going to most probably lock my room and then pack her gifts quickly and then again hide them. So let's see how to figure that out and yeah, I'll see you next. Okay, so I got these random boxes. ये shoe box है, Nykaa के box है, Amazon के है. So इनके अंदर मैं छोटे छोटे gifts जो हैं वो डालने वाली हूँ so that she doesn't figure out while opening these gifts. And this is the wrapping paper. मैंने आज तक एक भी gift pack नहीं किया है, so I don't know how am I supposed to do this. Okay, so I'm done packing all of the gifts. एक गिफ्ट पेपर कम पड़ गया था तो मैंने दूसरा लगा दिया, घर में पड़ा हुआ था. But anyways, I'm going to hide all of these gifts somewhere she can't find, which is an impossible task, but still I will try. And a little bit of decoration is what I've planned. So मैं कल ही रात को या शाम को करूँगी. I'll see how to figure that out. So I will see you tomorrow. मैं बलून्स ले आई थी एंड सोचा था कि सरप्राइज़ ही दूंगी बलून्स का और कुछ तो मैं लेके आई नहीं हूँ इसके लिए. सो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट कि ये कैसे फुलाने हैं एंड शी इज़ गोना हेल्प मी बिकॉज शी कांट लीव दिस हाउस इवन फॉर 1 मिनट कि मुझे थोड़ी प्रिवेसी मिल जाए और मैं छुप के कुछ सरप्राइज़ प्लान कर लूँ. सो एवरी टाइम शी इज़ हियर विद हर एस नॉकिंग ऑन माई हेड. छोड़ के ना उसको. मतलब बंदे में खुद भी दिमाग होता है ना कि जन्मदिन आ रहा है, हमने कुछ विश लिस्ट दे दिया है तो शायद कोई सरप्राइज़ प्लान करना चाहे तो हम थोड़ी स्पेस दे दें, उनको मौका दें सरप्राइज़ प्लान करने का. बट नो, यू डोंट डिज़र्व इट. अब इसको प्लीज़ भर दे, फिर रिबन टांगेंगे. आई डोंट लाइक सरप्राइज. Okay, so it's finally time to share what all I gifted her, but before that I have to show you something. She literally gave me her birthday wish list almost 2 months back. So उस wish list को ही मुझे follow करना था. It was a rule from her side. She is so particular about her gifts, about her things, and she's so brand obsessed. Like सबसे ज़्यादा I know her and still I cannot just gift her anything. She will definitely not like it. So I also chose to follow her wish list and I will insert a picture of the list on the screen in case you want to have a look. So there are 8 things and she was expecting 1 or 2 gifts from this list and that's it. Starting from perfume, either Burberry or Good Girl. So I got Burberry and you might notice a few stars on the list. So स्टार का उसने बोला था जहाँ जहाँ स्टार लगा है दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शी वांट्स. ऑप्शंस तो एमी दे दिए. सो आई डिड give her this perfume from Burberry, and the best part, I got an offer on this, so सस्ते में पड़ गया. Second, she wanted a watch from Guess, MK और Tommy. तीनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है, so I couldn't afford as of now, so maybe on her next birthday. Third, gym clothes, she bought it herself, पैसे बच गए. Fourth, Gap t-shirt. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. Very simple, just with a logo. Next, she wanted shoes from Skechers or Adidas. Again, they are really expensive, and also she's like very choosy, as I told you. So इसमें मैंने risk नहीं लिया. She'll buy it herself. Sixth, she wanted a zero figure. Let's not say anything about it. Seventh, boyfriend slash pati. I'm looking for it. Any rishtas out there? Comment down below. Eighth, Zevar jewelry. Coincidentally, my parents bought this for her. It's from Carrot Lane, Tanishq. Simple diamond studs or simple earrings, whatever you call it. So she was lucky enough to get this as well. And apart from this, I gifted her a few things from my own choice. I took that risk, and this is the first thing. It's a face roller. So she is into skincare a lot these days because she's paranoid of getting old. So ये face roller and gua sha. I actually have a video on this, on how to use this, so I will insert a link in the description box in case you want to see. And lastly, I gifted her this lipstick from MAC. It's the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Carnivorous. This is how it looks like. Again, she did not like this, so I went off the list, but anyways, I'm going to use this for sure. But yeah, above all of this, she was really happy to see the gifts, and she liked my effort, so that's what counts, I guess. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. This was very different, a little bit of my personal life. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Do hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.